Hello, Aries. Welcome to your reading for the month of December. This is a general reading, so please take what resonates. You can also check your sun, moon, and rising. Anyway, if this reading helps you or if this reading resonates, please hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm doing personal reading. If you're interested, please check the description box below. Thank you so much. All right, so let's see what we have for Aries for December. What do we have for Aries for December? Thank you. Okay, wait. There. Sanctuary. With a calm, focused mind and enjoyment of each moment, you create your very own sanctuary. You are your own, safe place, right? So if there is one person that you have to feel safe with or you have to trust, that would be yourself. And you'll have to take better care of yourself because, again, you'll have to take care of your vessel. This is where you reside, this is where you live, your body. And it's not just your body, but your mind, your spirit. You'll have to be, you're being reminded to take better care of yourself, most especially your mind. You'll have to stay calm and don't let anything, any worries or any crazy thoughts to bother you and to make you lose your focus on your goal. Okay, so you'll have to just spend more time um, in meditation and doing things that you enjoy. All right, so keep your body happy, keep your mind happy, keep yourself happy. All right, so you'll always be a, in that place of happiness. All right. So what do we have for Aries for December? Overall energy, please. Oh, okay. So to flip and okay, let's just take these two. We have 7 of Wands and 9 of Wands. Right. Okay, there's this energy, very strong energy of being so protective, being overly protective of yourself because of the feeling that something or someone, could be someone, is going against you or trying to stop you from, moving towards the direction that you are taking or you're going to. It could make you feel exhausted, like the feeling of, why do I always have to like fight or keep on fighting, or why do I always have to defend myself from something or from someone. And it may make you feel so tired, it may make you feel wounded already, like it's a fight that you have been having for a while. But you're very resilient, you're very strong, and also very courageous because you don't let them um, overpower you. You know who you are, you know your abilities, you know that you are not going to be bothered by these energies because you know yourself very well and you have a goal. You're focused on that goal, and that's what matters. If there will be a need to, like to stand your ground or defend yourself, do so. Because if that is what you believe in, then you'll have to trust yourself and stick to that. Okay, so past, present, and future energies for Aries, please. So for past, present, and then future. Okay, so for the past, we have the sun. So there was this something in the past that happened, or uh, maybe someone made you happy, or something made you happy, or you made yourself happy, because of all the things that you have, something that you've seen or you realized, and it just made you feel so good because you realized that there were so many things that you could be grateful for, that you could be thankful for. There was so much life and vitality in the past, and this could be something that made you feel yourself more, like make you understand yourself more, or make you see that part of yourself that stands out. Okay, we have here the King of Cups, Eight of Cups, and Queen of Wands reversed. Okay, so in the past, you may have dealt with a situation that you felt like you were just being, controlled. Like, it could be a situation or a person you felt like this person was manipulative or controlling. Or again, could be a situation that you felt like you had no choice, but you had to do it, and you left it. You left it. You chose yourself. You chose your well being, and you were like, why do I have to endure this when I can have a better life, and have a to be in a better situation than this? So you listened to yourself, you did what you wanted to do, and you listened to your heart, and it made you feel much happier. And that's why you felt happy here. Like, again, that situation made you feel happy and made you feel yourself more, because in the past, it's like you just felt like you only did things because you were forced to do them. Now, in the present, you have here the Six of Swords reversed. There may be something that's in your mind at the moment, because again, there seems to be a need to do something new, or to go could be a literal journey, physical journey, and you may not really like it. As much as possible, if you could stay, or if you would like to just stay and not go anywhere, or to be in the same situation. You don't want to be in a new path, or you don't want to, as much as possible, you're like, I just want to stay on this path. But there seems to be a need to move forward, to go to a new direction. You have the Four of Wands reversed, Strength reversed, and the Tower. So there is a change happening in your life, and it may be shaking you up, or it may be making you feel like you'll have to use up a lot of your energy, and it'll exhaust you. It may make you lose sight of who you truly are, um, because you're kind of resisting the change, and it will it's making you question yourself again. But this is something that must happen, don't feel defeated, as because you're this these changes just need to happen because and something new is coming, or something new is waiting to happen in your life. So I guess as much as possible, try to replenish your energy so that you won't get you won't be phased when the change happens. And in the future, you have the Page of Pentacles reversed. Again, there's a need to step into something new, a need to learn something new. Um, this is a new beginning. Could be in your career or relationship, but this is a new beginning, a new journey, a new path that you need to take, and you'll be learning a lot of things from it. But there seems to be a resistance. Five of Wands reversed, Justice reversed, and Five of Cups reversed. There's a lot of inner conflict going on because again you'll be there's an imbalance, or you may feel like it's so unfair. Why is this happening? And you may just see the negative things, negative things. You may just be you will it seems that you'll be focused on the disappointments or on the negative aspects, not being able to look at the positive side. It can be quite difficult, yeah, because everything felt so good, but you felt like something is throwing you off balance again, and you're like, why does this have to happen? And that's where here you are being very stubborn and not just not allowing these things to happen, or not letting yourself find the good thing in what's happening, because you just felt like this is so unfair. Why is this happening? At the bottom of the deck, you have the Three of Wands. If there really is a change, like you have to be somewhere else, you have to experience something new. You have reached a certain level, and you are now going to step onto a new level. It's like having finished a difficult level. So you've received the rewards, you've received a lot of, you've received recognition, but that that's not the end. It's not the finish line yet. There's another one, another level that you are stepping into. So go for it. Just let it happen, because it's also about something that you were waiting for, because you put in a lot of effort into something, and the result is actually coming in, and it is coming in for you already. So trust in everything that's happening to you at the moment, and trust that it is for your highest good. Now, what's your advice for Aries for the month of December? Your advice for Aries, please? Oops, sorry. What's your advice for Aries, please? Okay, we have Nine of Wands, the Hanged Man, and Two of Cups reversed. There really is a need to change your perspective on what is happening. You may feel tired of fighting about something, because there's this feeling of being so unfair. There's that feeling, but you're almost at the end of, the level that I was saying, that I was telling you about. You're about to step into a new level, right? So, this is just the end of that, of the current, of that particular level that you are in, or whatever situation you are in. That's why it just feels much harder, but you're very, very close. You're ending another cycle in your life, and you're moving towards a new one. So keep that balance within yourself. Stay aligned to your goals, to your values, or yeah, keep that balance within yourself, your also your mind, your body, um don't let anything throw you off that balance. And yeah, you'll need to change your perspective. You'll need to change how you look at what is happening in your life. Okay, so now for the tea leaf fortune cards. 5 cards please for Aries. 5 cards for Aries. What will happen this month, for the month of December, for Aries? You have 10 cards: celebration, fun, enjoyment, grasshopper, situations in the balance that require careful handling, firecracker, excitement, ear, good news, goldfish, increase in material wealth or spiritual growth. Wow. So see, there's really something about balance. You have to keep yourself in a balanced state. And I guess that's why the card of being focused, that sanctuary card about being staying calm, staying focused and happy. This is what you truly need when you're facing, as you face a particular challenge in your life, because in the end, there is good news, and this will bring you a lot of happiness, exciting things. There's reason to celebrate, and there'll be an increase in material wealth. All right, so that's what I have for you, Aries. Thank you so much again. If if you're new here, thank you for being here. If you've been here before, thank you for being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you so much. Bye.